Hi dear colleagues, let's begin. I wanted to talk to you about a very important thing, how not to burn out. Because we teachers, we deal with lots of people. We listen to their problems, we watch their inadequate behavior. We are exposed to a lot of criticism for our methods, for gamification, because not everybody likes it. And what can you do here not to stop fighting for the good things in life? What can we do? But there is a solution. So, dear teacher, welcome to ESL Escape Room. It's a wonderful resource specially designed for ESL teachers who want to liven up their classes with fun and engaging puzzles. But these are not just worksheets, it's a system. It is a sort of a quest, a special game that will engage all of your students. It offers hundreds of puzzles for any level, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, and these puzzles cover actually all the topics that we study with our students at school. In this game, students will work in teams of 2 or 3, solving the puzzles that are stuck to the walls all around the classroom. The solution to each puzzle is a single-digit number, and in the end, after all the puzzles have been solved, the students will get the secret set of numbers that will unlock the classroom. And the tasks in the puzzles, they are really amazing. I just fell in love with them, really. Let's have a look at some of them. So I've printed out a few puzzles from elementary level pack.
Let's see what we've got here. The task says, follow the words that have a letter T. Gloves, no. Cap, no. Trousers, yes. So we start from this picture. Umbrella, no. Socks, no. Shorts, yes. The next level, glasses, no. Earrings, no. Shoes, no. And hat, yes. So we move to the hat, and you continue like that until you get one single-digit number in the end. If you're not sure, you can print out answer keys to any activity. Okay, what else have we got here? The topic, weather. Let's read the questions. I didn't go to the park at the weekend because it was stormy. It was stormy this weekend and this weekend. The second question, yesterday was rainy, but today is sunny and partly cloudy. So yesterday it was rainy, but today is sunny and partly cloudy. Okay, and question number 3, tomorrow will be hotter than today. What is today's date? Tomorrow will be hotter? Yes. So today is the 6th. Today is the 6th. This is the answer to the puzzle. Sometimes students will have to do some calculations. For example, like in this puzzle. How many they should count, how many fingers, how many noses, how many mouths are there. By the way, it's not so easy as it seems. I started doing the puzzle myself, but then suddenly I realized that this is a finger. I think it's a finger. And this one is also a finger. And the question, how many fingers are there? The answer is not 20, but 22 maybe. So students should be very attentive while doing the puzzles. There are not only vocabulary puzzles, but also puzzles based on some grammar topics. For example, like this one, it's present simple, the verb to be. When students first have to match the question and the answer, but draw straight lines, as the task says. So they should use a ruler and do it very carefully. And in the end, they should count how many times the lines cross. Again, they will get one number.
So let me explain how to prepare for the game. To begin with, choose the puzzles, the topics you would like to revise with your students, print them out, and stick them to the walls in different corners of the classroom. Then divide your students into teams. For example, 5 teams, and in every team there are 3 or 4 students, not more. And the number of the puzzles on the walls should be equal to the number of teams plus 2 extra puzzles for early finishers, for those who have already solved their puzzle and need to move on to another one. Then start playing the game. Say something like this. Okay, class, now we're ready for the game. Look around, you can see puzzles on the walls. But they're not just puzzles, they are guardians, and they guard the exit of the classroom. They will not let you out unless you solve all of them. Every puzzle will give you one number. And when you solve all of them, you will get the secret set of numbers. If it is the same that I've got on the board under this piece of paper, so before the lesson, before the beginning, make sure that you have written down the answer to every puzzle and cover it with some piece of paper to hide it from your students. So if the set of numbers you've got is the same that I've got on the board, great, congratulations, you can go home. But if there is a mistake, you will have to try again. A pleasant bonus. If your team is the first to finish, you will have no home task for tomorrow. So, ready, steady, go? Choose a puzzle and begin. Well, why I like so much ESL Escape Room? Firstly, you can revise a lot of vocabulary on different topics in a short period of time. Secondly, students will improve their logics and teamwork skills. And a very important thing for a tired teacher, that they will work in silence, trying to speak very quietly to prevent the other teams from overhearing their answers. Don't think twice and visit ESL Escape Room right now. And look here, what is it? It's my personal code that will give you 20% discount on any resource. Just download it and let your students play while you relax. And don't forget to download my ebooks with more ESL games for kindergarten, school, and for teaching online. Believe me, they will transform your teaching experience. I hope you will never feel burnout. I love you so much. Never give up. Remember that we are very important. Teachers, we carry something that no other profession has got. Virtue, goodness, moral values, creativity. Isn't that great? Just let yourself relax for a couple of maybe days, and then you will be back with us, fighting for goodness.